Here's how to fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve. First, open the Start menu, search for Settings, and open it. From the left panel, select System, then click Display. Scroll to the bottom and open Graphics. Now we need to add DaVinci Resolve to the graphics preference list. At the top, click Add Desktop App, then locate where DaVinci Resolve is installed. On my computer, it's in the D drive, and find resolve.exe at the bottom of the folder. Select it and to add it to the list. Once it's added, click on it and choose High Performance from this drop-down menu. Now launch DaVinci Resolve and check whether the error has been resolved. If the issue is still there, open the Start menu again, search for Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters, locate your graphics card, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Then click Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows says the best drivers are already installed, try updating the driver manually instead. For example, if you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, download and install the free NVIDIA app. Open it, select Drivers from the left panel, and click Check for Updates. It may find a newer driver that Windows didn't detect. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating the driver, open DaVinci Resolve again and see if the problem is fixed. If the error started after updating DaVinci Resolve to a newer version, you can try installing an older release. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, then go to Apps and select Installed Apps. Search for DaVinci Resolve and uninstall it from your computer. After the uninstall is complete, visit the official DaVinci Resolve website. Scroll to the bottom of the page and open the Support Center. Under Product Selection, choose DaVinci Resolve and Fairlight software. You'll find a list of previous DaVinci Resolve versions. If everything worked before the recent update, download an older version, install it, and check whether that resolves the GPU initialization error. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.